Calculating shipping costs for Amazon FBA involves understanding various fees and factors associated with sending inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Here's how to do it. Package and weigh your shipment. Accurately measure the dimensions and weight of your boxes. This is crucial for determining shipping costs. Create a shipment plan. In Amazon Seller Central, go to Inventory, manage FBA shipments, send or replenish inventory. Follow the prompts to create a shipment plan. Choose shipping method. Select between Amazon partnered carriers or your own carrier. Amazon partnered carriers typically offer discounted rates. Estimate Amazon partnered carrier costs. During the shipment plan process, Amazon provides an estimated shipping cost based on the weight, dimensions, and destination of your shipment. You can see this estimate under the shipping charges section before finalizing your shipment. Calculate per unit cost. Divide the total shipping cost by the number of units in the shipment to get the per unit shipping cost. Consider additional factors. Account for any additional costs such as packaging materials, labeling, and potential surcharges for oversized or heavy items. Example calculation. If your total shipment weight is 200 pounds and Amazon partnered carrier charges 50 cents per pound, the total shipping cost would be $100. If you are shipping 500 units, the per unit shipping cost is $100 divided by 500, equaling 20 cents per unit.